Hello friends, I am Maypal Singh. Today I am going to draw a cute kitten. So start with circle, then the little body, comparatively head. Head is big than body. Hair ground line. So this is the reference line for the legs. This is eye line, then center line. Big head give character cute look. For cute. Then also big round eyes. Cute character don't have small eyes. The larger eyes, larger cute the character become. Big eyes. Then the pupil. On the upside of the eyes to show the eyes looking up. Little bit is spark in the eyes. Eyelashes here. Little. Now for nose, little triangle shaped nose just below the eye line. Here bridge of the nose. And now to make mouth, draw a smiley line. Then arrange it as muzzle of the kitten. Little bit chin right below here. So now we make round cheeks because round cheeks give character a younger look, and if it is a sharp, so character also become edged. So here round. You can see and the another side also. Little bit hairs right on the top of the head. And now here triangle shape ears. Then we adjust it as ear. Make it darker. Some hairs in them. Always remember that the outside line, we can say it borderline, must be darker than middle. So head is completed, and now the lower body. It's not very complicated, just make curve lines, not make any corner or sharp corner. Here front legs. Here foot. Then the back legs. Then upper body part also curve, as you can see the flow in the body. Here ground, some little bit grasses. Here tail of the kitten also curved. As you can observe, the body portion is too small. Then the head. Okay. Here some dots for the mustache. And here the eyebrows on both sides. Here mustache. Just don't hesitate to draw. Now it's looking great. Now the marks of the body. Cat have black lines and dot also. Here the black marks on cheeks, on the body. And leg also. Legs on legs. And then in tail also. Shade to the upper part of the ear. Marks are not looking so good. Marks are not looking so good, so I erase it. So now makes so sharp marks. So now it's looking nice. So here is a cute kitten. So here is a cute kitten. Hope you enjoying that. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.